Hello, you're watching a tutorial video for SCM Content Machine. Today I'm going to show you how you can run and install LM Studio. And what this allows you to do is to run AI models right on your computer for free. For example, Llama 3, which was released by Meta. And the output of that is actually on par, if not better, than GPT 3.5. The only limitation with running large models is how much RAM and hard drive space you have on your computer. And inference might be a bit slower as you run on your CPU, but if you run on your graphics card, such as using an NVIDIA CUDA core, you'll find that inference runs very quickly. Now what you see up on your screen is the SCM Content Machine forum. So if you visit this website and this page particularly, you find links to LM Studio, as well as written instructions on how to run and install the models on your computer. Now I'm going to assume that you have LM Studio already installed on your computer. So once you have it installed, you want to go down to search, find a model you're interested in running. So for today, we're trying Llama. It returns all the Llama related models that I can use. And you'll see the size it takes on your hard drive. Now you choose a model you want to start and you click download. And once it's completed downloading, it will actually appear on this load list. So it will actually appear like this. Select the model to load. You select the model you want, and that loads that onto your computer. Now, with running models on your CPU, you might find that the performance is a bit slow, which is why you want to go down to Advanced Configuration, GPU Settings, toggle GPU Offload, and select Max. And this will actually run all the model onto your GPU, which is a lot faster than your CPU. You can actually now play around and test the model, and it will return some results. Now, to actually run this service and have it connect to SCM Content Machine, you'll need to go to a local server, scroll down and click on Start Server, and you'll see the server logs here. To actually use this model, you need to find this curl, and this first line which I've highlighted is the URL that you'll need to use to access the service, and the model name is actually located here. Now I'm going to go to SCM Content Machine now. The first thing you want to do is change the default AI. When you first load SCM, it will be OpenAI. We actually want to choose one of the alts. So I'm going to go with Alt 1. And the reason why is because LM Studio runs its models and it actually emulates the OpenAI URL. So we're going to go back to LM Studio. I'm going to copy this by pressing Control Copy on my keyboard, pasting that in. I need the model name. Once again, I'm going to find the model name here, copy that, paste it in. Now to verify that it's working in SCM, I just go to the AI chat window. You see I did some examples before for the testing. I click on Hi. It says, hello, it's nice to meet you. Then to double verify this, if I go to LM Studio and check the server logs, you'll say, hello, it's nice to meet you. This output here will match what SCM Content Machine got back. So now my configuration is complete. I can use this AI model on my computer within SCM Content Machine wherever AI is available. So AI articles, now if I load and run this prompt, it actually will use the model on my computer. If I scroll down to the rewriter and select the AI rewriter, now anytime I'm using the AI rewriter, it's actually going to use the models that are hosted on LM Studio. So now you have a very nice way of running very complicated, I would say, very good high quality models on your computer as long as you have the resources available on your desktop. And the great thing about this is, of course, is that as new models are released and models are getting released that are of higher quality with better performance, and also in languages other than English, it's very easy just to go here and search for new models, download them and run them on my computer and try them out. And of course, the best part about this is that it's all free and I don't have to pay anything. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, please ask in the comment section on this video. You can also jump onto the forum.scmcontentmachine.com, sign up for free, and you can ask and see some questions. You can also email me at scmcontentmachine.com. There's a contact us page there as well. Thank you.